Hey everyone, hope you guys can. Hey bro, hi code scorer. Hope I'm audible. Hello guys. I was not looking at the chat. I was solving the problem. Does referral work? It depends on the company, bro. In some companies it does work, but I have mostly applied without referral too. So I generally don't ask for referral these days. I directly apply. But in companies like Google and all it does work. So if you have a referral and feel free to ask that, but you don't need to wait for referral. Gaurav Kabade, bro, go to this bento link and then uh, go to this bento link and then go to this low level design notes and everything basically, and then you can also watch a low level design playlist. Those are the two things that I would recommend you. When you up, are you? Yeah, sure, I'll do that. Let me solve one more problem and then I'll do that. Forgive until- I think so. There is a you can apply. I think OA. I think OA doesn't has a cooldown period. Code source through project will matter, bro. If you have that much of experience, projects will matter. Given if any two are equal. If you don't hear me listening, that means I'm you are given deadly. It's just like this is a stack. I think stack. Okay. Cons- So basic. Thing. Care about. Hello. So I can do your resume review fan I3. Atif Ali, thank you for the clarification. Sure, Kavada, you can do that. LLD, HLD next week, bro. Perfect, perfect, Tanmay. If I am planning to, okay, meanwhile, I will ask you what the thing is, right? If my plan is to now continue live stream at least 1 hour every day, right? Now I'll explain the problem and then you guys. I don't really care about the growth that much, to be honest. Uh, if I would have cared about the growth and all, I would have promoted the channel at different places. Now the problem is that if you see this part or it like if you come to this right, and then these videos also pop up on the stream of the channel, right? So on the recommendation page, let's say. Now then it gets very confusing whether it was a live. If you directly go to then that's it. That way it is simple. That's it is distinguishable. But let's say if you jump to the home page of this, let's say if you are like at home and then it is coming, then it is hard to distinguish between. So that is why, and then I will probably increase the frequency of live because at least 1 hour every day. What I'm thinking is 10 p.m. ish to 11:30 p.m. right? 1 hour every day is after my job. I am thinking that I can do that every day. So, but if I do lives every day on this channel, I think it will kind of confuse the audience a lot. Uh, and I want to be more live. I think like in live, sometimes there will not be much value for the audience, right? Because I'll just come and code because I don't want to lose the hang of coding, right? It could be 45 minutes, it could be 50 minutes, it could be half an hour on some days, right? It is not just for you guys, it is mostly for myself also. Now, this channel is my aim is to share knowledge. With that channel, it would be more of consistency for myself. So that is the plan basically. Now, that's why I'm thinking of creating a channel. What do you guys say? Because when I did this live streams every day, right, for 1 hour, like 45 minutes, it is still doable. You like it's an excuse. Everyone gets 45 minutes a day. If you don't study for 45 minutes a day, then it's an excuse. So when I used to do this, right, it was much better. That is the plan, right? Now I can do that on this channel also. There's no harm in that. But here, I think the more valuable content is there, like summarization, tips and trick. In that, it would be just lives. So talking to you guys, randomly chit chatting, right? So that's the plan. Now answer. Yeah, because I think I can still share value, right? So I can do resume reviews on the side while I'm doing the live, and it will help me maintain consistency. Why do people do live? They talk, they come, they collaborate. That's the reason I want to do this. There's no hard and fast rule of why. If you want to know why, I can give you why. This is the reason. Aim is to help me and you in consistency and answer doubts on the way. But it won't be beneficial for people who are not in the live, right? But still the video goes there and then that's the reason. We'll see how many votes I get. I don't think, bro, you can go for gate if you like, but I don't think so. There is much. Like, I never prefer that, but it's your call. Definitely your call. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan, Code Sorcerer. What do you think? Like, study with me, talk, chat, chill, chat, be with the audience, that kind of a thing, right? So that's the plan. Even if I don't get any like that is also fine. I think I'll still pursue that because if you guys go and watch my oldest live stream, I used to sit here and do alone. So you will see there some like 20 views and then 20 views, 10 views. These most of these would be even like you can see, right? These are 20 minutes, 130 minutes, right? Till I used to come in and live and then do coding. This was way before. I think no one knew about the channel back then. You can see one like. I think this is probably also my only like or my friends like. But still, I used to code. I used to sit there and code. Yeah. Ritik Banot is also saying the same thing. See, this was the form. Let's learn, practice, learn, fail, and win together. Yeah, bloat. Bloat is the right word. On this channel, things will get too much bloated. And my aim here is also not to teach on the live, right? On live, I don't teach things. So in that channel, I can teach things, right? I can have dedicated videos, maybe teach DSA, some sort of those things, right? Kind of planned videos. Probably will do that then. Yeah, so I have not gotten any resume. Then I, bro, send me the resume. You were planning to send the resume, right? Sure, Tanmay. Go ahead, ask the questions. You can ask on LinkedIn. Yeah, make a channel that viral purpose, bro. I'm not a viral kind of a guy. We'll see. But live, I think, and then I'll keep that channel faceless, most probably. Tanmay Pandey ping me on X, or I'm not that active on LinkedIn. I feel more vocal on X. How many votes? So 11 votes. Could not find your X. I've sent you the link, brother. This is my. If you guys are not on X, then it's fine. You can ping me on LinkedIn. I got a resume from Atif. No, I don't think so. Be an issue because mostly I'm doing it for a part-time hobby. So coding is a hobby to me. And I barely solve problems, bro, in life. I come and solve like how to problems. Who is following me here? This feature of following is nice. Feel free to follow here if you feel I'm worth following. Atif Ali bro, since you are in college, your resume looks decent to me, brother. Make sure you know the terms like lazy, loading, and all of those things. And also, you can mention if you have any DSA achievements too. I'm reviewing your resume, Fiend. Appreciate the super chat. So you have like 3 years of experience now, I see. Bro, most of your projects are MVP, POC. You have not talked about the business value in your projects, right? Full stack developer intern, integrated REST APIs with front-end components. Like, what are the REST APIs supposed to do, right? You should also like write that. Like, what is the business use case, right? What you did that is clear, but what is the business use case? Manisha, bro, I just answered. See, when I used to do live streams, I used to do it for both myself and for the audience, right? So if you go and see the old streams, uh, I just used to come here and then study, right? It was more of a chatting thing. But then it is getting messy with live and the videos too, right? So, and this live video also comes on to the homepage as a recommendation. It is not of much value add for a viewer who is not present in the live. So one way is that I delete all the lives, which I don't want to do. Yes, so you should add those fiend. Business value, that's basically business value, right? Where, how did you add the impact and all those stuff. So you should add all of those points. You asked the question, brother. Did you ask anything on the top? Yeah, I'm planning to do that. Like you mean solving NEET code 150, right? Yeah, I can do that. Try to apply on your, try to reply via all the portals, brother. That is one advice. Yeah, we'll end this stream in 4 to 5 minutes now. How many companies have you applied to, Atif Ali? Applied to tons of openings. Yep, it is just a numbers game. That is true. Bro, if you do NEET code 150, there is nothing like identifying the pattern because all of those patterns are tagged using patterns, right? Piyush Agarwal, you are already on the right track, brother. Damn, that's which company are you working at? Probably you should ping me once on LinkedIn. I can take a look at your LinkedIn. In your resume, you have commented out everything like XXX, you have made it. So, and also you have not really mentioned the business use case. Bro, first solve need code 150. I have not taken interviews here, brother. So I cannot comment on that. FAANG. Bento meet, top meet, beat Piyush Agarwal. I don't remember, brother. I'm really sorry. You can ping me on LinkedIn or X. I'm active on X too. Nah, Fiend, I have seen your resume. Most of the things that you have mentioned are XXX, right? Your company, everything. Full stack XXX. Is that the name of the company? Can you ping me on LinkedIn once? We can talk more there. Phoenix. It is your resume only, right? Where you have mentioned that you developed RESTful APIs for MVP. It doesn't tell anything about what the APIs were for. You developed a POC for mobile app. What was that mobile app for? You redesigned DB schema of what? Right? That what is missing there? Like if you're getting a resume review, bro, there is no point of, I think, privacy there. But still, it makes sense. Cool guys, 45 minutes done. Planning to create. I think I've got 23 votes. It's positive that way, so we'll see more on that. Cool. Bye guys. Take care.